Question 1. What is the capital of France? A. Paris. B. London. C. Rome. D. Berlin. The correct answer is Paris. Paris has served as France's capital for over 1,500 years, since the time of King Clovis the Mystus. Question 2. How many continents are there on Earth? A. 5. B. 6. C. 7. D. 8. The correct answer is 7. The 7 continents are Asia, Africa, North America, South America, Antarctica, Europe, and Australia. Question 3. Which planet is known as the Red Planet? A. Mars. B. Venus. C. Jupiter. D. Saturn. The correct answer is Mars. Mars looks red because its surface is covered in iron oxide, essentially rust. Question 4. What is the largest animal on Earth? A. African elephant. B. Giraffe. C. Hippopotamus. D. Blue whale. The correct answer is blue whale. The blue whale can reach 30 meters long and weigh up to 200 tons, the largest animal known to have lived. Question 5. How many sides does a hexagon have? A. 5. B. 6. C. 7. D. 8. The correct answer is 6. The word hexagon comes from the Greek hex, meaning 6. Question 6. Which is the largest ocean on Earth? A. Atlantic Ocean. B. Indian Ocean. C. Arctic Ocean. D. Pacific Ocean. The correct answer is Pacific Ocean. The Pacific Ocean covers about a third of the Earth's surface, more than all land combined. Question 7. Which gas do plants absorb from the air for photosynthesis? A. Carbon dioxide. B. Oxygen. C. Nitrogen. D. Hydrogen. The correct answer is carbon dioxide. Plants absorb carbon dioxide and release oxygen during photosynthesis. Question 8. Who painted the Mona Lisa? A. Michelangelo. B. Leonardo da Vinci. C. Raphael. D. Donatello. The correct answer is Leonardo da Vinci. Leonardo da Vinci painted the Mona Lisa in the early 1500s. It now hangs in the Louvre in Paris. Question 9. What is the hardest natural substance on Earth? A. Gold. B. Iron. C. Diamond. D. Quartz. The correct answer is diamond. Diamond scores a perfect 10 on the Mohs scale of mineral hardness. Question 10. How many legs does a spider have? A. 6. B. 10. C. 12. D. 8. The correct answer is 8. Spiders are arachnids, not insects. Insects have 6 legs, while spiders have 8. Question 11. What is the chemical formula for water? A. CO2. B. H2O. C. O2. D. NaCl. The correct answer is H2O. A water molecule is made of 2 hydrogen atoms bonded to 1 oxygen atom. Question 12. Which country is the natural home of the kangaroo? A. Australia. B. Brazil. C. India. D. Kenya. The correct answer is Australia. Kangaroos are marsupials that carry their young in a pouch and are native to Australia. Question 13. In which year did the Second World War end? A. 1943. B. 1944. C. 1945. D. 1946. The correct answer is 1945. The war ended in 1945, with Germany surrendering in May and Japan in September. Question 14. What is the smallest country in the world? A. Vatican City. B. Monaco. C. San Marino. D. Liechtenstein. The correct answer is Vatican City. Vatican City covers only about 0.49 square kilometers. Question 15. Who wrote the play Romeo and Juliet? A. Charles Dickens. B. William Shakespeare. C. Jane Austen. D. Mark Twain. The correct answer is William Shakespeare. Shakespeare wrote Romeo and Juliet in the 1590s. It is still one of his most performed plays. Question 16. What is the largest organ in the human body? A. Liver. B. Brain. C. Skin. D. Lungs. The correct answer is skin. The skin is the body's largest organ, covering roughly 2 square meters in an adult. Question 17. Which element has the chemical symbol Au? A. Silver. B. Aluminium. C. Argon. D. Gold. The correct answer is gold. The symbol Au comes from aurum, the Latin word for gold. Question 18. How many strings does a standard violin have? A. 4. B. 5. C. 6. D. 7. The correct answer is 4. A violin's 4 strings are tuned to G, D, A, and E. Question 19. What is the capital of Japan? A. Kyoto. B. Osaka. C. Tokyo. D. Seoul. The correct answer is Tokyo. Tokyo became Japan's capital in 1868, taking over from Kyoto. Question 20. Which is the largest planet in our solar system? A. Jupiter. B. Saturn. C. Neptune. D. Earth. The correct answer is Jupiter. Jupiter is so large that all the other planets could fit inside it. Question 21. In Greek mythology, who is the king of the gods? A. Poseidon. B. Hades. C. Zeus. D. Apollo. The correct answer is Zeus. Zeus ruled the gods from Mount Olympus and wielded the thunderbolt. Question 22. How many bones are in the adult human body? A. 196. B. 286. C. 2816. D. 226. The correct answer is 286. Babies are born with around 270 bones, many of which fuse together to leave 206 in adulthood. Question 23. Which artist famously cut off part of his own ear? A. Pablo Picasso. B. Claude Monet. C. Salvador Dali. D. Vincent van Gogh. The correct answer is Vincent van Gogh. Vincent van Gogh cut off part of his own left ear in 1888. Question 24. What is the currency of Japan? A. Won. B. Yuan. C. Yen, D. Baht. The correct answer is yen. The yen has been Japan's official currency since 1871. Question 25. Which gas makes up the largest part of Earth's atmosphere? A. Oxygen, B. Carbon dioxide, C. Nitrogen, D. Hydrogen. The correct answer is nitrogen. Nitrogen makes up about 78% of the air we breathe, far more than oxygen. Question 26. Who developed the theory of general relativity? A. Isaac Newton, B. Albert Einstein, C. Niels Bohr, D. Galileo Galilei. The correct answer is Albert Einstein. Albert Einstein published his theory of general relativity in 1915. Question 27. What is the capital of Australia? A. Sydney, B. Melbourne, C. Canberra, D. Perth. The correct answer is Canberra. Canberra was purpose-built as the capital to settle the rivalry between Sydney and Melbourne. Question 28. In which city would you find the ancient Colosseum? A. Rome, B. Athens, C. Cairo, D. Istanbul. The correct answer is Rome. The Colosseum in Rome could hold an estimated 50,000 to 80,000 spectators. Question 29. Which part of the cell is known as its powerhouse? A. Nucleus, B. Ribosome, C. Mitochondria, D. Golgi apparatus. The correct answer is mitochondria. Mitochondria are called the powerhouse of the cell because they produce most of its energy. Question 30. Who wrote the dystopian novel 1984? A. Aldous Huxley, B. George Orwell, C. Ray Bradbury, D. H.G. Wells. The correct answer is George Orwell. George Orwell published 1984 in 1949, introducing phrases like Big Brother. Question 31. What is the smallest prime number? A. 0, B. 1, C. 2, D. 3. The correct answer is 2. 2 is the smallest prime number and the only even one. Question 32. Which country gifted the Statue of Liberty to the United States? A. Britain, B. Spain, C. Italy, D. France. The correct answer is France. France gave the Statue of Liberty to the United States in 1886. Question 33. Which scientist formulated the 3 laws of motion? A. Galileo Galilei, B. Isaac Newton, C. Johannes Kepler, D. Nicolaus Copernicus. The correct answer is Isaac Newton. Isaac Newton set out his 3 laws of motion in his 1687 work, Principia. Question 34. Which language has the most native speakers in the world? A. English, B. Spanish, C. Mandarin Chinese, D. Hindi. The correct answer is Mandarin Chinese. Mandarin Chinese has over 900 million native speakers, more than any other language. Question 35. In which year did the first human walk on the moon? A. 1965, B. 1967, C. 1969, D. 1971. The correct answer is 1969. Neil Armstrong became the first person to walk on the moon on 20th of July 1969. Question 36. What is the chemical symbol for sodium? A. So. B. Sd. C. Na. D. S. The correct answer is Na. The symbol Na for sodium comes from the Latin natrium. Question 37. Who composed the Ninth Symphony, which includes Ode to Joy? A. Ludwig van Beethoven. B. Wolfgang Mozart. C. Johann Sebastian Bach. D. Frédéric Chopin. The correct answer is Ludwig van Beethoven. Beethoven composed his Ninth Symphony while almost completely deaf. Question 38. What is the approximate speed of light? A. 30,000 km/s. B. 300,000 km/s. C. 3,000,000 km/s. D. 30 km/s. The correct answer is 300,000 km/s. Light travels at about 300,000 kilometers per second, fast enough to circle the Earth 7 times in 1 second. Question 39. Who was the first Roman emperor? A. Julius Caesar. B. Augustus. C. Nero. D. Caligula. The correct answer is Augustus. Augustus became the first Roman emperor in 27 BC, ending the Roman Republic. Question 40. What is the most abundant element in the universe? A. Helium. B. Oxygen. C. Hydrogen. D. Carbon. The correct answer is hydrogen. Hydrogen makes up about 3/4 of the normal matter in the universe. Question 41. In which country was the philosopher Confucius born? A. India. B. Japan. C. Korea. D. China. The correct answer is China. Confucius was born in China around 551 BC. Question 42. What is the term for a word that reads the same backwards and forwards? A. Anagram. B. Palindrome. C. Homonym. D. Synonym. The correct answer is palindrome. A palindrome reads the same in both directions, like level or race car. Question 43. Which mathematician is known for the theorem about right-angled triangles? A. Euclid. B. Pythagoras. C. Archimedes. D. Blaise Pascal. The correct answer is Pythagoras. The Pythagorean theorem states that a squared plus b squared equals c squared. Question 44. What is the capital of Canada? A. Toronto. B. Vancouver. C. Ottawa. D. Montreal. The correct answer is Ottawa. Ottawa was chosen as Canada's capital by Queen Victoria in 1857. Question 45. Which artist painted the ceiling of the Sistine Chapel? A. Leonardo da Vinci. B. Michelangelo. C. Raphael. D. Botticelli. The correct answer is Michelangelo. Michelangelo painted the Sistine Chapel ceiling between 1508 and 1512. Question 46. What is the scientific study of fungi called? A. Botany. B. Mycology. C. Zoology. D. Ecology. The correct answer is mycology. Mycology is the study of fungi, which form their own kingdom, separate from plants and animals. Question 47. In which year did the French Revolution begin? A. 1726, B. 1789, C. 1799, D. 1804. The correct answer is 1789. The French Revolution began in 1789 with the storming of the Bastille on 14th of July. Question 48. What is the SI unit of electric current? A. Volt, B. Watt, C. Ampere, D. Ohm. The correct answer is ampere. The ampere is named after the French physicist André-Marie Ampère. Question 49. Which explorer reached the Americas in 1492? A. Amerigo Vespucci, B. Christopher Columbus, C. Marco Polo, D. Ferdinand Magellan. The correct answer is Christopher Columbus. Christopher Columbus reached the Americas in 1492 while sailing for the Spanish crown. Question 50. Which number is neither prime nor composite? A. 1, B. 2, C. 3, D. 5. The correct answer is 1. The number 1 is neither prime nor composite because it has only a single divisor, itself.